Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla dropped by over 15% on Monday, closing at $222.15, due to weaker than expected demand for its vehicles, as well as reduced delivery forecasts. In regular trading on Monday, the Dow dropped 2.1%, the S&P 500 fell 2.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite plunged 4%, with all three major indices hitting fresh multi-month lows, where mega-cap technology stocks led the downturn. Gold rose to around $2,900 per ounce on Tuesday, driven by a weaker U.S. dollar and safe haven flows due to mounting concerns about the U.S. economic outlook amid escalating trade tensions. The British pound traded around $1.29, hovering near four-month highs, supported by broad dollar weakness amid concerns over the U.S. economy and the potential impact of upcoming tariffs. Ether dropped to around $1,870 due to increased liquidations, which surged to $209 million in 24 hours, and broader market concerns, such as inflation and weak investor sentiment, also contributed to the decline. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 a.m., Australia to release the Business Confidence Index for February, following 4 in January. At 12 p.m., the industrial production in Brazil is expected to increase, after reaching -0.3% in December. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the number of job openings of January, following 7,600,000 in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the annual inflation rate for February, following 3% in January. At 12:30 p.m., the Consumer Price Index in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 317.7 in January. At 1:45 p.m., Canada will release figures for the interest rate of March, following 3% in February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.